We are so happy today to have you all here because we are going to discuss a very exciting topic.
Yes, especially for people who love food, cafe, and restaurant businesses.
So, today we will talk about traditional versus modern restaurant business. Which one survive better today?
Nowadays, restaurants are not only about food. People also look at atmosphere, service, trends, and even social media.
That's why this topic is very interesting to discuss.
And of course, today we are joined by a very special guest who will share many interesting opinions and insight with us.
And please give a warm welcome to our special speaker,
Rif
Rif Mata!
Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me today. I'm very excited to join today's discussion.
Before we start, can you tell a little bit about your restaurant?
Sure, the restaurant named Asmer Seafood Restaurant. It is a seafood restaurant located in Legian, Bali.
Wow, Legian is one of the most popular tourist areas in Bali.
Yes, that's why we meet many local and international customers every day.
We're happy to have you here.
Alright, let's start the discussion.
What is a traditional restaurant business?
Traditional restaurants usually sell local or cultural food. Most of the recipes are passed down from generation to generation.
So, traditional restaurants also preserve culture?
Yes, actually, they keep traditional food and cooking style alive.
Why do people still like a traditional restaurant today?
Because the food feels authentic and the most atmosphere feels warm. Some people also feel nostalgic when eating traditional food.
I think family restaurants are usually traditional restaurants.
Yes, many traditional restaurants are family business.
Now, let's talk about modern restaurant.
Why are modern restaurants popular nowadays?
Modern restaurants follow trends and use technology. They usually have aesthetic interiors and creative menus.
Young people really like place like that.
Yes, especially restaurants that are good for social media content.
Oh, technology is also important in modern restaurants, right?
Absolutely. Many restaurants use QR menu and digital payments. Online food delivery is also very important today.
Social media promotion is very influential too.
Yes, social media helps restaurant reach more customers.
What are the advantages of traditional restaurants?
Traditional restaurants have aesthetic and taste and royal customers. They also have strong cultural value.
How about modern restaurant?
Modern restaurants are more innovative and flexible. They adapt quickly to trends and customer preference.
Which one is more profitable?
I think both can be profitable in different days. Traditional restaurants have royal customers. Modern restaurant can affect more young customers.
Every business has a challenge. What challenge do traditional restaurants face?
One challenge is adapting to technology. Some traditional restaurants still use conventional system.
Do they also struggle with promotion?
Yes, some traditional restaurants are less active on social media.
What about modern restaurant?
Modern restaurants face strong competition. Trends change very quickly nowadays.
So, they must continue to innovate.
Exactly.
How important is customer service in restaurant businesses?
Customer service is extremely important. Good service can make customers return again.
What kind of service do customers usually expect?
Customers want friendly staff and fast service. They also want clean and comfortable restaurant.
So, food quality alone is not enough.
Yes, customer experience is also very important.
Can traditional restaurants survive in the future?
Yes, they can survive if they adapt to modern trends. For example, they can use social media and online delivery apps.
What should modern restaurant do to survive?
They should continue improving quality and innovation.
So, adaptation is important for every business.
Yes, business must continue learning and changing.
Today, we learned many interesting things about restaurant businesses.
Traditional restaurants preserve culture, while modern restaurants focus on innovation.
But business can success with good quality and good service.
Thank you for joining our podcast today.
We hope this discussion was useful and enjoyable.
Thank you and see you
next
next
time!
time.
From traditional taste to modern trends, this is the end but not the end of our talks.
Good food, good place, and good vibes all day. Thank you for listening and see you again someday. Bye bye.
Bye!